Hello everyone, our today's topic is on. Describe a sports event you would like to watch. You should say. What is it? When and with whom? Where would you like to watch it? Why? How would you feel? Although there are many sports events that I want to watch, today here I would like to talk about one of my favorite sports events. Well, I would love to watch a cricket match, especially a match between India and Pakistan. It is one of the most exciting and popular sports events in our country. I would like to watch it live in the stadium, not just on TV. If possible, I want to watch it during a big tournament like the ICC World Cup. These matches are full of energy, and the atmosphere is amazing. I would love to go with my family or close friends, because they are also big fans of cricket. Watching it together would be more fun and memorable. I want to watch this match in a famous stadium like Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad. It is one of the largest cricket stadiums in the world, and the crowd there is full of energy. I want to watch this match because I love cricket, and India versus Pakistan matches are always full of thrill, emotions, and surprises. The players are full of passion, and every ball can change the game. If I got a chance to watch it live, I would feel very excited and lucky. It would be a dream come true. I think I would cheer loudly, wave the Indian flag, and enjoy every moment of the match. So, all in all, this is the gaming event which I wish to watch. Thanks for watching. Share and subscribe our channel for more videos.